What's up? This is Shodeep and you're watching the Cruise Life. आज मैं unbox करने वाला हूँ दो नया चीज which I brought from Amazon specifically for my new setup for which I'm gonna make another video where I will show you my whole setup thingy. Mouse, keyboard. So basically I received these products yesterday but did not unbox it yet because video banana hai. So without wasting much more time, let's unbox and give my new table setup a charm. Alright guys, so this is my old Logitech keyboard, 300 or 400 rupees I forgot, and 200 rupees mouse from Dell, which I'm gonna replace it right now. This is the keyboard and this is the mouse. Let's unbox the mouse first. ये जो है इसको हटाना पड़ेगा, पुराना जाएगा तभी तो नया आएगा ना. इसको मैं साइड में रख देता हूँ अभी के लिए. This is my broken scissor. नया scissor खरीदने का पैसा नहीं है अपने पास. Wow, look at the packaging guys. So it's the Circle Gaming Marksman 2 level up Circle Gaming. बिल में आते हैं, बिल कितना लगा है. So I've got this for 1280 1300 to be approx. Okay, so let me unbox the mouse first and show you the beast inside. Okay, let me show you the wow. So the things are, we have got a CD. I guess so this CD is for the lightning purpose, the RGB things. I don't know yet. I have to check that out. Warranty certificate. Next up is the manual. Basically, whoa, it feels so premium. Really guys, it feels so premium in the hand. ये जब तक आप हाथ में नहीं पकड़ोगे ना, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. फुल्ली स्मूथ. कितना फास्ट हो रहा है यार. पुराना माउस जो है मेरा, ये कितना हार्ड है और इतना इजी है. डिफरेंस, पैसा मेक्स डिफरेंस. So I'll plug it inside and show you the settings and all things. Stay tuned. Alright, so coming to the specifications right now guys, this is the new Circle Gaming Marksman 2 RGB gaming mouse. It works like a charm guys. It supports up to 4000 DPI. यहाँ पे जो LED light आप देख रहे हैं, so it indicates the change of the DPI settings, you know, like 500 for red, 1000 for green, 2000 for blue, 3000 for yellow, and 4000 goes for purple. Talking about the response time, it's only 0.001 seconds. Like it works like a charm in the hand, and it's quite ergonomical. As you can see, it is a beauty, you know, it is indeed a beauty. So as you can see, the USB port in here is a gold plated one, which is quite premium and by far better than that of the normal ones. And the cable, as you can see, is a 1.8 meters long, and the best part of it is that it is braided, indicating a better quality and more strengthful as compared to other normal cables. Okay, so this is the software which I have got enclosed with the mouse, and basically it's a little confusing. As you can see that this is the basic configuration in here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 switches. You can change the you can change the settings of the switches with this settings up here. And in lightning there is a bit confusion because मेरे को चाहिए था कि सिर्फ white light मैं इस mouse पे लाऊं, only a white single light, no color shift, no breathing, nothing. But मैं ये try किया, red, green, blue, off, on, सब कुछ try कर लिया guys, लेकिन कुछ नहीं हो रहा है basically. So if anybody have any solution about this thing, do let me know in the comment section below. It will be a great help to me. Coming to the advanced configuration, some more settings about the cursor speed, vertical scrolling, double click speed and all. And macro settings. What is this macro settings yaar? No idea about this thing. I don't know, you can put any commands or something like that. Basically it is out of the syllabus, I don't even need it, so not going inside it. So basically you can say that this software is for changing something and आपको चाहिए तो कीजिए, नहीं चाहिए तो मत कीजिए, बस उतना ही मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। सो दूसरा वाला जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है, तो वंस अगेन माय ब्रोकन सीजर। लेवल अप like 1524.58. This is the box Circle Gaming Level Up Adriot X7C 7 colors backlit mode keyboard. User manual, ये रहा warranty card. Look at this sexy keyboard, guys. Look at this sexy keyboard. Circle Gaming logo in here. Okay, so this is my new keyboard from Circle Gaming. RGB 7 color backlit keyboard, and it's quite heavy, made of plastic basically. Yeah, it's made of plastic with the where's my escape key? Where's my escape key? Where is my escape key? इसके अंदर तो नहीं है। Fuck guys, where's my? अबे यार ये देख, कहाँ पे छुपे थे आप, छुपे रुस्तम जी। इसके बटन आपको लगा देते। चलो कंप्लीट। सो इट्स so this is the switching system of the keyboard. So basically it has got two back stands also. इसको आप adjust कर सकते हैं अपने position, comfortable position के हिसाब से. Alright, so talking about the specifications, you can see it is from Circle Gaming, Circle Adroit X7C RGB gaming keyboard. So it has 7 color backlit mode. So it includes breathing lights too, and the lights here are blue, red, green, purple, light green, turquoise and white. It is a semi mechanical keyboard क्योंकि मेरे को mechanical का ज़रूरत नहीं है, उतना hardcore gamer तो मैं हूँ नहीं, मतलब होता है थोड़ा बहुत खेल लेता हूँ, लेकिन ये स्पेसिफिकली मैं खरीदा हूँ फॉर एडिटिंग पर्पसेस एंड लाइट वेट गेमिंग, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल वर्क. दिस वन आल्सो हैज अ ब्रेडेड केबल, क्वाइट बेटर देन दैट ऑफ द नॉर्मल वंस, एंड 1 year वारंटी के साथ आता है, एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ वाटर प्रूफ. इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस कीबोर्ड एंड वांट टू परचेज इट, आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आप परचेज कर सकते हो वहाँ से. या डू यूज द लिंक बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स द चैनल एज इट इज एन एफिलिएटेड लिंक. Okay, so this is the function key which turns on the LED light. It has 7 colors, namely red, green, blue, turquoise, light green, purple and white. You can also adjust the breathing light by tapping the FN key with the light function key. FN plus, the plus button increases the breathing speed and the minus key decreases the breathing speed. FN and page up increases the brightness and the FN and page down decreases the brightness. So I like to keep it in white color basically because of its matching with the desktop color scheme. And in total it has got 104 keys and also 6 multimedia keys. Alright guys, so this was the unboxing of these two products which I have brought, and I hope you have liked it. और अगर अच्छा लगे तो please like का बटन दबा दो, and do comment if you have anything to ask about the product. I'll try to reply my best to you guys. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to it as it helps a lot to the channel. With that said, this is Shubhadeep signing off from the cruise life. Stay tuned, ride hard, ride safe.